What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching for the very first time, you can subscribe to this channel. You can watch out my other videos where I do a lot of hauls, a lot of styling, a lot of everything. By the way, I just broke my nail and it broke like really deep over here. Anyways, and for today's video, we are going to see the makeup look, the normal natural makeup look that I usually go for while I'm shooting, because I thought you guys may be interested in that, because this is like a very simple makeup routine that I follow. And usually when I'm shooting ना तो मेरे पास बहुत ही confined time होता है, इसके वजह से I kind of make my makeup routine very simple and really fast, and I kind of make it something that goes usually on all the outfits that I wear. The Kickstart deals are live on Amazon, so do not forget to check it out. All of the links for the products are going to be there down in the description box from Amazon. Do not forget to check it out. And now let's just get ahead into the video. The skin preparation before makeup is going to be like very simple two-step thing, which is going to be a moisturizer and then a sunscreen. I stay in Pune and it's kind of very humid over here because of the rain and everything. So that is why I want to keep it a very lightweight, and the base I will try to make it more mattifying. And that is why I'm going to use this Pond's lightweight cream over here. It is absolutely very lightweight and it's super duper affordable. The consistency is like literally so liquidy. Going in with the sunscreen, this is the 1% hyaluronic acid sunscreen from the Dermaco. This is one of the nicest formulation, very lightweight, and इतने जल्दी वो skin में गायब हो जाता है ना. I just love it. So you can see we're done with the sunscreen, no white cast, nothing. It's a really nice sunscreen that I love to use. So when I feel like I want the base to be more matte, I go for the Fit Me foundation. So I'm just going to dot it in and just apply it like this. You see, I did not do any color correction or anything like that on my face. So that is why I like to go for a concealer that has a little bit of like a yellow base instead of a white base. Going in with this NY Bay concealer, slightly like a yellowish tone to itself, like an undertone. Sorry, I'm kind of looking at the mirror, so that's why I'm kind of moving over here. And I'm going to apply this on. And then with the same beauty blender, obviously this beauty blender is already damp, so do not worry about that. I guess I did not mention that. And then just setting in the concealer with some loose powder. I'm going to use the NY Bay loose powder like this. And now I will not kind of blend it out. It will blend it out itself, like धीरे-धीरे वो खुद ब खुद बैठ जाएगा. Anyways, we're going in with the eyebrow. This side of the eyebrow is slightly round on the top, so that is why I just want to make it more edgy. That's it. Give a nice brush. And now for the contouring, I sometimes kind of like to use this Inside Cosmetics ka contouring like a corrector palette. So it does have like a dark brown shade that you see over here. So ये dark brown shade use करके कभी मैं contouring कर लेती हूँ. On the contour stick, on the nose, over here, and the jawline. What I like to do is I like to apply my contour and the blush together, and then I blend it out together ताकि वो एक seamlessly blend हो जाए and there is no line between them. Sometimes I like to use the blush stick. Sometimes I like to use a liquid blush like a lip and cheek tint kind of a blush. So today I'm just going to use the stick itself. Nicely. We'll do the contour first because वो darker shade है. Now from the other side of the sponge, this side, I'm going to blend out the blush part. And you will see how seamlessly like a layer, like a shade it's going from pink to brown. For the eye look, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild palette, which is one of my favorite palettes that I love to use all the time. Go in with this transition shade and then a little bit of the orange shade as well. Just to give a definition to the eyes, that's it. I don't want to add colors or anything like that today because I'm going to film like a haul ka video. So haul में बहुत सारे fits changes होते हैं. So I don't want कि I want to go for a color or something. And I'll just take that whatever product I have and then just blend it out नीचे. First creating the triangle outside and then just kind of blending it. And then ये अंदर के edge में I like to make a pointed kind of a edge like a cat eye look. Quickly do this side and we'll come back. And with the lips, I have actually made a YouTube short where I've shown you my lip combo, like how I do it and everything. So you can refer to that also अगर आपको एकदम OG मेरा जो lipstick style है वो देखना है. Going in with a brown lip liner because I usually like to go for nude and brown shades, इसलिए मैं brown lip liner use कर रही हूँ. And lastly, going in with the Mama's liquid lipstick. They are actually genuinely very creamy and a very good formulation. It's kind of a brownish nude and not a lot of nude, and when I apply the lipstick, I don't apply it all over the lips. Just ऊपर में एक layer, नीचे हल्का सा, and middle portion I kind of leave it and I just smudge it. And my lip gloss is my most favorite part. One, I think so, it is called Pure Gloss or something like that. I hope you guys liked this video. That is the end of it, and I will link all of these stuff down below, and you guys already heard, I think so, that there is Kickstart deals already on live on Amazon, so you definitely need to check it out. Everything is so much on sale right now, and it is going to come in even more sale in the near future as we get closer to like Navratri and Diwali and everything. So just get started with the whole cart of yours, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.